Good morning, kindergartners. So we've been doing a lot of draw and tell stories, and I thought today we would try doing a cut and tell story. So what you need is a piece of paper, a pair of scissors, and a pen, which I think I just dropped my pen on the floor. Hold on, let me get my pen. I got my pen. So this is a story about Mama Bird and, well, kind of Daddy Bird. Mama Bird and Daddy Bird decided that they were going to make a nest. So take your piece of paper and fold it in half like this. And you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut from here all the way around to here, kind of like a big D. Okay, so you're going to go down and around and back up to the other side. And that is their nest. Well, while Mama Bird was sitting on her nest, guess what happened? She laid an egg. Look at that egg. That's a great big egg, isn't it? Well, Mama Bird sat on her nest protecting that egg. She had to sit there through the wind and the rain all day just to keep her egg safe. But it was okay because inside that tree that nest sat on was two bugs, and she made friends with those bugs. There was Joey bug here on this side, and there was a Lena bug right here on this side. There's a Joey bug and a Lena bug. Draw your bugs on your nest. While she sat on that egg, she heard a crack. It was kind of a small crack, but the crack happened right here. Take your scissors and make a crack. Okay? That's the crack that was made. All right. From that crack, there was a great big loud crack. And she could see that crack. It went all the way around and down like this. And then it came back over like this, almost to the end of the egg, but not off the egg. So guess what happened? What came out of that egg? What did you guys make? A baby bird. You can color this orange or yellow, and if you want, you can add some wings on it by making some sideways V's to make your baby egg or your baby bird from your egg. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you soon on Google Meet. Bye, kindergartners. Have a great day.